Okay, in this occasion, I will show you how to make a simple part. It's a motor and cover to learning or practice SolidWorks. Just started, we want to go to the SolidWorks, and first we select the top plane, click right plane and click sketch. And we want to make the base or the bottom face. Start by it. Make a circle with diameter 110. Just select circle in here, draw it, set the dimension to 110 or diameter in here. It's a drawing for section the part. Okay, the diameter is 110 and we give the thickness, go to feature, extrude boss, the just blind, and for the thickness is 35 millimeter. So we can change of the tip 35 millimeter and just click OK. Okay. After that, we select this face, right click and click sketch again to make a cutting in here, cutting hole in here to the dip in here. It have a diameter in 96. Select the circle again, set dimension in 96 and go to feature, extrude cut. For the dip is 23. So in here is 23 millimeter. Just click OK, like this. After that, we want to change the plane, front plane. Right click and click the sketch to make a cutting in here, and right plane to make cutting in here. The width is 10 millimeter and the height is 10 millimeter for the rectangle hole, like this. So we can select the corner rectangle in here and just draw it from this edge. Ensure this point, we can click Control in keyboard, and in this origin point or center point, make the vertical. So this corner rectangle is make vertical for this point or this center point. Just set the dimension. The width is 10 millimeter and the height is 10 millimeter too. Okay. After that, we go to the feature again and extrude cut. We can see the extrude cut is two sides, in here and in here. So we can change the direction. The direction we can change to through all both, like this, and just click OK, like this. It's simple. So we can to make another rectangle hole in here and just click to right plane and click sketch. Same, we make a corner rectangle again. Okay, ensure this point and this point, click on keyboard, click Control and make vertical again, and set the dimension. For width is 10 millimeter too, and the height is 10 millimeter. Go to feature again and extrude cut to both and select the through all both to make a cut in two sides. So just click OK, like this. After that, we want to make the hole in the center of the part in here. Just click this face and click sketch here. So we can select the circle again, draw it from this point. The dimension of circle in the center is in here 32 millimeter. Can see the diameter on here is 32 millimeter. So we can do input 32 millimeter the diameter like this. And in here, in around of the center circle, it's a hole of circle 2. 1, 2, 3, 3 hole 2. But in here the diameter is 22. We can go to circle, ensure the circle, the center is make vertical from this point in here. Just draw it and click the smart dimension. Into the circle, diameter is 22 millimeter like this. And don't forget to set dimension. The distance of the center circle to the more little circle in here is the distance is, and the point is 32. Okay, this point circle and this center circle distance is 32 millimeter like this. And after that, we want to make another hole in here. We use the feature is circular sketch pattern. Okay, in any of these two pattern, we select this circle edge, and for point parameter and point, we select this point, the center point. But in here for circle, we just need 3 circle. So you can to change the number of the circle in here to be 3 circle like this, and just click OK, and it's okay. The circle is appropriate with the drawing. It's symmetric and everything. And just click extrude cut. We can change the direction is through all, because the circle is make hole or through all in here. Just click OK. Okay, it is simple. So in the last, we again have to this sketch 1, 2, 3, 2. So we can go to the top plane again and click sketch. In here, we can draw circle in here. Okay, the distance of this circle, this hole, and center of hole in here is 68. So ensure we set the dimension in here is 68 like this, and set the dimension of the little circle on the hole in here. There is diameter 10 millimeter like this. After that, we make another circle in here. The circle have radius 10, so the diameter is 20 millimeter, because the radius is 10 millimeter and the diameter is 20 millimeter, because the radius of 10 millimeter like this. And we can select the center line in here, and then we make center line to mirror part. Sorry, you can trim edits in here. Yes, we just need here. Okay, we make a line, and it is at angle is 15 millimeter. Just click line in here, this end to this edge. Sorry, sorry, can trim edit this again. You make to show this edge. Okay, after that, we can just set the dimension in here, and this center line dimension, the angle is 15 millimeter. You can see 15 millimeter in here, and ensure for this line, click Control on your keyboard and select the diameter of circle in here and make a tangent. Sorry, we can erase first again. We make another line in here. First we make the circle, and this thing is make tangent like this, and set the dimension. This line and this line is 15 degree in here. It's simple like this. And after that we can mirror this line, feature and mirror entities. Entities to mirror, we can select this line, and mirror both, we can to select this line, and just click OK. Okay, like this we can see. And after that we select the convert entities, select this edge, and this edge, and click OK, and we can erase in the line in trim entities, saying trim and this edge like this. So we have the 2-dimension appropriate with this drawing like this. Okay, we need 1, 2, 3 sketch like this. So we just to use circular cut pattern, and these 2 pattern, we select this and select this circle. We just need 1, 2, 3 part like this, 3 sketch like this, and ensure the point is in the center of the point, this point in parameter point 1 like this, and just click OK. And then we just to go to feature and extrude boss, we just give a thickness. The thickness is 14 millimeter. In here direction we can change to blind, and the dip or the thickness is 14 millimeter, sorry, and just click OK. And last we give the fillet in here. The fillet is R3, radius 3 millimeter. So go to the fillet, and fillet parameter we can change in here to be 3 millimeter, and select at atom the fillet, select this edge and this edge, this edge and this edge, and the last is in here, this edge and this edge. Okay, just click OK like this. It's a simple real. So we can change the appearances. You can see in here we can change the appearances, select the all feature. Just we make for example is metal, chrome, we can just do brownish chrome. We can also change the color. For example is like this, purple. Just click OK. So we can change the color of the cut like this. Sorry, we can for this face, click Control on your keyboard, and this hole we make 2 different appearances to make more interest, and just this face, and click appearances again. I think is I want to make chrome plate like this, and done. It's a simple part to exercise or practice our SolidWorks like this, like this, and done. Okay, it's a simple part of motor and cover. I hope this tutorial helped you to practice all learning in SolidWorks. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next tutorial.